More than 6,000 volunteers have registered for the third phase of human trials of homegrown Nano Covax vaccine, which is scheduled to begin on June 8th. Here's Kryshelle Llacuna from our EBC Vietnam Bureau to give us the update. Hello, Kryshelle.
Hello, Eliana. That is right. The third and final phase of human trials of Nano Covax vaccine developed by Vietnamese Nanogen Pharmaceutical Biotechnology Joint Stock Corporation officially started on June 7th. The third phase, with the participation of 13,000 volunteers, will be carried out by the Military Medicine University at Hung Yên Province and by the Ho Chi Minh City Pasteur Institute in the southern provinces of Long An and Tiên Giang. As many as the 1,000 first volunteers have been selected for the trials, and the Military Medicine University and Ben Luc District in Long An Province, the group would be administered with 25 microgram, the lowest dose for this stage. As scheduled, the third phase will be completed at the end of this September. The third phase of trials is relatively difficult due to complicated developments of the COVID-19 pandemic in Vietnam, said Chu Van Min, director of the Center for Clinical Trials and Bioequivalence under the Military Medical University. Due to the current COVID-19 resurgence, safety measures must be ensured throughout the phase, said Chu, adding that in any case of COVID-19 patient, of people who have contact with COVID-19 patients accidentally appears at the testing sites, the testing site would be closed and the trial phase would be suspended. So far, Nano Covax vaccine manufacturer has been ready to stockpile raw materials and prepared procedures for mass production if the vaccine is licensed by the Ministry of Health. Earlier results from the second stage of human trials of Nano Covax showed the vaccine is safe. The second stage trials were conducted on 556 volunteers who were divided into 4 groups, with 80 people injected with a placebo and 3 other groups administered with 25 microgram, 50 microgram, and 75 microgram doses. All of the vaccinated volunteers had developed antibodies against COVID-19 at different levels. Nano Covax vaccine started testing on humans on December 17 last year with 60 volunteers. Another domestic vaccine contender, Covivac, from the Institute of Vaccines and Biological Medical, or IVAC, in Nha Trang City, Can Hoa Province, is preparing for phase 1 trial data to be reviewed by the Ministry of Health and could start phase 2 around late June or early July if results are deemed acceptable. Another locally developed COVID-19 vaccine from Baviotech is in preclinical trials on animals, and another from Polyvac, the Center for Research and Production of Vaccines and Biologicals under the Ministry of Health, is still under laboratory research. In 2021, Vietnam needs 150 million doses to vaccinate 75 million people. The estimated required funding for the vaccine campaign is more than 25 trillion Vietnam dong, or roughly around $1 million, including around 25 trillion Vietnam dong for vaccine purchase. That's the update from Vietnam. Back to you, Eliana.
Thank you for your updates, Kryshelle. You stay safe and healthy.
Thank you so much, Eliana. From your EBC Vietnam Bureau, I am Kryshelle Llacuna. We live in interesting times.
Back here in the country.